So we are here to talk about the Palace Evisu. I think that's how it's pronounced. I don't know. I honestly have never heard of these guys. I guess they are a big Japanese denim brand that was big, I want to say, late 90s, early 2000s, from what I remember reading. Anyway, we're here to talk about this collaboration. This is what is going to be dropping for Palace week 7, 8. I don't know. This is just a collaboration and it's dropping. And it, of course, drops this Friday, April 3rd. At 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take that with a grain of salt. I'm pretty sure it's the 3rd though, I'm pretty sure. So to start off, we have the multi-pocket jacket in the indigo colorway, and of course this is denim. You're going to see this logo used quite a bit. It's kind of just like a squiggly line. Almost looks like a tilted P, but I guess this comes from the Evisu brand. But really, you just got this plastered all over. The only kind of interesting thing about it is the pockets on the side, almost like a chore coat, are filled in like it's a full panel of a different color. Obviously, like you guys can see, one's white, one's red, and they have contrast branding, except for, I suppose, the red one doesn't have Palace spelled out. But yeah, and then on the back, you just got those slapped all over the place. And you know, the name fits multi-pocket. Like every one of those is a pocket. Every one of those like logos, there's a pocket underneath it. So kind of ridiculous. I wouldn't rock it. I don't really care for it too much. Moving on, you also have the multi-pocket jean, which, you know, just like the multi-pocket jacket, you got these logos everywhere. Under each one, you are going to have a pocket, which it's just different, you know. Like I said, I've never heard of this brand. I don't follow them at all. So maybe this is a thing they do with just pockets, but it's a little ridiculous. I don't know. I'm not too into it. You have this hoodie coming in 2 different colorways. You have a gray colorway and then also a black colorway. A little bit less wild than the multi-pocket stuff. This time you just have that logo that we've been seeing straight on the chest, and then on the side or on the sleeves you have Palace on one sleeve and then Evisu on the other, with little logos. I'm not exactly sure what it's supposed to be, kind of like some crest type thing on the bottom. And then if you look at the back, it kind of meets in like a little V and then does some arches, like some McDonald's stuff. That being said, I think it is a lot better than the jacket and pants, but still, I think just some of the regular lookbook stuff from Palace is a lot better than this. Next up, we have the Reversible Crew in navy, black, and ecru, which is like kind of like an eggshell white, I guess. Anyway, you just have that logo that we've been seeing on the chest, and then you reverse it, and it looks like it just kind of has some like tags sewn on the sides with probably a Triferg and then the Evisu logo, I'm guessing. So it's kind of interesting that they did, you know, just some super wild stuff, and then they also have this kind of more tame stuff. So it's a nice range. At least I can appreciate that. Next up, you have the, I guess they're just calling it a T-shirt. This comes in a white colorway, a navy colorway, and then a black colorway. So just like the sweatshirt. And then this just has the logo we've been seeing, you know, Palace with the little like sideways P, whatever. And then on the back you have a Triferg. Interestingly enough, this is a little bit different of a Triferg. You got Palace on the 2 angled sides, and then on the bottom, the base of the triangle, you got the Evisu branding with some squiggles going on the bottom. And then in the center, you got this dude's face, and it looks like he's got his hands up like this doing something. I don't know, but I'm not crazy about the character in the center, so this is a pass for me. But yeah, you know, this isn't a bad piece. I could see people liking this one. Getting back into the land of crazy, we have this bucket hat, and it's not called the multi-pocket bucket hat, but it's got the multi-pockets, which interesting. You know, you can store whatever on your head, and you got several different pockets. That's about it, man. I don't know what to say about this multi-pocket stuff. And then lastly, wrapping it up, you have the tote bag accessory, and this is also in denim. You got the indigo colorway, that's the only one coming in. You got one side of it just normal, chill, and then if you feel like, you know, letting your wild side out, flip it around and you get the multi-pocket everywhere on the side. I'm not crazy about this multi-pocket stuff. I think it's interesting and it does have its place, but that's just not for me. And you know, I acknowledge people will like it, and once again, I don't have any knowledge of the history of this brand, so, you know, maybe they're known for doing crazy stuff like this. I just heard they're like big denim people. So not a crazy good collaboration in my opinion. I think Palace has kind of been missing it a little bit lately. I also wasn't into their Adidas Golf collaboration. I didn't like any of that. And then the past Reebok shoes that they've done have been pretty weak as well. They had those like super bright waterproof ones. Oh, man. And also, unlike the Supreme Lamborghini collaboration, which I was very disappointed in because I saw the potential that they had, I just don't know a whole lot about Evisu, so I'm not aware of the potential that this could have had, or how to gauge it in that sense. But I think some of the designs are fine, just definitely not for me. But with that being said, how do you guys feel about this collaboration? Do you know a lot about Evisu? Give me a little update of them in the comments if you do, or let me know how you're feeling about this collaboration overall. If you're going to cop anything, how you feel about Palace overall. Well, that's about it. Happy quarantine. Stay safe, stay inside, and I'll catch you in the next video.